Ride the bus to South Point. Welcome everyone on this Vegas Nola Man, how to take public transportation from the airport, Fremont, and the Strip to and from South Point. Kick it! South Point Casino Hotel and Spa is located 8 miles south of the Las Vegas Strip. South Point offers a shuttle to and from Harry Reid Airport. These shuttles are reserved for the use of hotel guests only. Reservations are required for the shuttle and they do not take same-day reservations. Here's a more affordable option that offers more departure times, and you can also get to and from the Strip and Fremont. And the best way to get started is to download the RTC app to your phone. If you're going from the Strip and Fremont, I highly recommend you get the All Access Pass. If you plan on paying your fare with cash, exact change is required. To get to South Point from Fremont and the Strip, start by hopping on the Deuce. The Deuce is a double-decker bus that runs up and down the Las Vegas Strip and makes stops at the Las Vegas Sign, the Arts District, and Fremont Street. The Deuce runs 24/7 and runs approximately every 15 minutes. Board the Deuce going southbound and ride it all the way to the South Strip Transfer Terminal. If you're starting out from the Fremont Street experience, you can board the Deuce on 4th Street between Fremont and Carson, right across the street from the D. You can also board the Deuce in front of the Mob Museum. Board the Deuce going southbound along the west side of the Strip. There are many pickup points along the way. Grab a seat on the top deck and enjoy the view. Depart the Deuce at its final stop, the South Strip Transfer Terminal. Starting from the airport, go to the public transportation area at Terminal 1. If you're arriving from Terminal 3, take the free inter-terminal shuttle from Terminal 3 to Terminal 1. For more info, check out the inter-terminal shuttle video I made. I put a link in the description below. Go down the escalator to the baggage claim area. Continue going forward across the baggage claim area till you see the next escalator going down to level 0. On level 0, exit the terminal and continue along the walkway to the public transportation area. When you reach this sign, take a right to get to the public transportation area. Continue going forward for the free inter-terminal shuttle. At the public transportation area, board the number 109 Maryland Parkway going southbound to the South Strip Transfer Terminal. It's a 6-minute ride from the airport to the terminal. And like the Deuce, this bus departs approximately every 15 minutes 24/7. The South Strip Terminal is the final stop for the 109 and the Deuce, and all passengers are required to disembark at Bay 1. From Bay 1, walk across the terminal to Bay 15. There you will board the number 117 bus going southbound. The 117 departs the terminal approximately every half hour during the day, and ride time is 15 to 20 minutes to South Point. Bay 14 is where you can board the Deuce to go back to the Strip and Fremont. However, on the return trip to the Strip and Fremont, there is a transfer point right on Las Vegas Boulevard. Hang on to the end of the video and I'll show you how to do that. The northbound 117 returning to the South Strip Transfer Terminal will pick you up right in front of South Point. But when riding the 117 to South Point, the bus lets you off across the street. When the bus turns left on Las Vegas Boulevard onto Silverado Boulevard, ring the bell and exit the bus there. Cautiously cross the intersection and the parking lot to get to South Point Hotel, Casino, and Spa. To return to the South Strip Transfer Terminal, there is a 117 northbound bus stop conveniently located in front of the valet area of South Point. To return to the airport, ride the 117 northbound to the South Strip Transfer Terminal. To return to the airport at the South Strip Terminal, go to Bay 18 and board the 109 Maryland Parkway northbound. To return to the Strip and Fremont, you can go all the way to the transfer terminal and board the Deuce there. However, it would be quicker to transfer on Las Vegas Boulevard in front of Las Vegas Golf Center. This is also the transfer point for the number 104 bus northbound. You can ride the number 104 bus to get to the Palms, Gold Coast, and Rio. I have upcoming videos on all those properties and how to use public transportation to get there. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay informed on how to save on Uber fares and make getting around Las Vegas easier. Like what I'm doing? Show support and hit the Super Thanks button at the bottom of the screen and receive a shout out in a future video. You can also buy me a coffee or become a channel member and get access to exclusive content. Hit the link in the description box below. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.